Hi, I'm Connie Wessner, and I am the Executive Director of the Davidson Housing Coalition, which is an affordable housing nonprofit here in Davidson. So the Davidson Housing Coalition was formed 30 years ago as part of an effort by people in town, citizens in town, to make sure that people could choose to live in Davidson regardless of their income. So in doing the renovations and planning for them, the first thing we did was kind of take a look at the work orders and the repair orders that we're getting from residents, and you can trace everything back to, it's the roofs. So we wanted to start there because every other investment we made was going to be dependent on the quality of the roof covering everything. And one of the things that we really prize here is the local connection with people. We're a locally based organization, and we try to work with our local businesses. When you're working with residents who don't fully control the situation, it's hard for them to know what to expect, and from start to finish, Elite was great. They had a residents meeting where they talked through the whole project with our residents, so they didn't have to depend on us to describe what was going to happen, and everything they said would happen happened just the way they said it would, in just the time frame they said it would. Well, this has been a long road for us, and more importantly for our residents. What we do is not cheap, and it's not easy, and I don't have a machine in the back where I print money. So it was a big leap for us to take. When we got this Catalyst grant from the Davidson College Presbyterian Church, we jumped on the opportunity to do something immediately, and the roofs were the place to start. I think it reassures people that the quality that we insisted in using in building these buildings 20 years ago, we are committed to continuing into the next 25 years of service. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I should have had roofers probably when I started the job, because I'm not saying I bought the kids off, but I'm kind of saying I bought the kids off with the dogs. They love the dogs, and actually forget the kids, the adults did. There were a number of adults who were like, can I get one of those? So,
That's awesome.
all good, Rufus.
Thank you so much.